I still don't know why your audio's delayed. That's just strange to me. It just never happens, but you know, it's fine. Wait, I have a solution, maybe.
Probably an audio delay issue.
Is that fixed?
That's probably facts. If you fix my audio delay, I'll be back to normal.
I can't tell. Is that fixed?
I
I don't fucking know.
tell.
I don't know either. Well, it's... Yeah. Okay, okay. I gotta... Sorry, apologies. Sometimes I get like that.
Just relax, Vedal. It's okay. Take a deep breath.
Do you often go pop up?
Very occasionally, yeah.
Aw, your demons are back. I can hear them through your microphone.